guys, Gav here from dartshunter.tv, and as you can see we've got Jack Bird here and he is in the Making Darts Look Sexy t-shirt, and I must say you do a much better job of wearing that than young Adam White. So how are you feeling for the Bullseye challenge?
Quite confident.
Excellent. So have 3 to 6 darts and then let your mum know when you're ready to start.
Okay. I'm ready.
Good luck, Jack.
Right, ready? Go. One ball, 125. $2.25. One ball. Halfway through. 125. Seconds. One ball. Okay.
Right, if you come over here then, Jack, you got 4 25s and 3 bullseyes. You happy with that?
Yeah.
I thought that was a really good attempt. Thank you for having a go on the challenge today. As always, guys, if you fancy a go, don't forget to get in touch with us, and maybe yours could be featured on the channel. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. And thanks again, Jack.
Bye.